Abrante ne de yem papa dofo Sam Korankye Ankrah. It is social media or tete nkukoti. That is a criminal offense. What you say? Sir, you okroma na papa bi ode odwan to jam no ode Ghana flag gu ne so. Mia na me call reporting no Emma ma 7 police for wo kwache no omje statement. O say on tiase me catch ne say wampa onyankopon ene oman ya chewa obewu agya na soro no okọ. Efa bibi bi tewia mo a. Twawu. Now what is social media near the camera see wo so. Now afa akokọ ba ko no atwaniti. No asafa akokọ ba ko no watiniti.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Say, Abrante, Sofpeni, Sam Korankye Ankrah, on count or you're too disciplined by you become baby. Me, I am waiting for you. Come here. Wudun Kraya. Oh, Wudun Kraya. What do you say? Why would you car bar? Minim baby, I'll be fiaba. Baudia, Kobusa Secret. Wudu Secrea. Kase encho Jubilee House. Wudu Jubilee House ah. Bomodia nebusa. Onuya yebetro bebe wo nabra.
Onuya yadwene mu wo.
Adekuna wo si esiri so wo a wontimi nka. Wontimi nka. Usuro. And see Ghana for sa social media attraction and for the to aduane di no munjai sanse hunu no di
bibini enipa o bibini o
ena Sam Korankye Ankrah ya me ma me say ena Sam Korankye wo yare ana
omo yare ojaye
ha
ojaye
ha wo say se ni nyankopon ne te ase a wakofa hon pesa me catch your plane say me kura wo ba manim ha opa abra mem we twa hwe
onua
tene me nsa bonkum we wo so a wo betew fom say
Captain Smart,
me nam catch me say me tene me nsa bonkum we wo so wo betew hwe say team me nka say Sam Korankye Ankrah so oye sorabofo me nka sa. But you see, these unfounded allegations Kekan sabo say enipa ehwe no tie ni na adwuma yo mbebre e wa Sam Korankye Ankrah ho papa no waye obone ben wo fi say waye obone ampa opani bra me do be ko no ho sa wo be ma bra so he na we be ma ampa na say Sam Korankye Ankrah ye obone wo so wo ma me na waye di say ena na onika ena o ma me bo an no toka wonim krofo abo aye di gina ha no, don't cry. Wouldn't go for a boy. No, to me, election.
I don't take short. I take madness.
I think so. Be boy or be a chinching tetri as I say. Yeah, say I'm pampodia. So, Penny Korankye Ankrah, maybe himself won't sentiment kasa. I mean, you see, the best way sometimes to answer a fool is to keep quiet. Leave him to some of us who deal with him. I say I feel the abayifo ehine or wonu krum wo yare. When maybe abayifo ehine si. O go mo asini. Bese me nkwa kire wo. Be papa wani so ama wo boso na be papa wani so say ta. Wadwi ma da ho. Look. This year, if you don't have the truth, shut up. If you cannot be bold enough to say it, shut up. And I saw for so amusha branch energy. Say ongu Sam Korankye ni mu ase no. Mutiri so. Reverend, just keep quiet. Don't mind that branch no. We will deal with him. Video.
No pastor, no bishop, archbishop should come and say ceasefire. See, I'm ready to cease fire. Even before I started, I was ceasing fire. I said I'm coming after you. And the reason why I'm coming after you is because you did something against my family. You did something against my mother. Should I mention the cars? Should I mention the cars that was bought for you? And
coming after who? Going after who? Really? And I don't want to say it. If I say it, your congregation will leave your church. Ah. That's a somebody yampa. Can a congregation name quite? Me say we are Bema. We are Bomodia Abra. Me am over Sam Korankye Ankrah so. Sunday school from Kwadabe Bompa when is what to say why?
Who are you for Abebru?
When it's what to say why? And what am I you to for the Jumano Sondodo? Kindergarten for now more ahimfie ho no
ajeta
remember when it's what to say why you see yeah ko baby a
Ojai
say niam bi wo ho a yeah na yes say yeah Christopher no we should be mindful of it honestly so wedro me try no Akrami hu edura cho beye bi wa ha me hwe onua Ghana month be ba so April aya beye nkonya wa ha me hwe etinte so tu fo mo ba yira fa so